This next pose is one of my favorites for my calves. So we're gonna get into a downward dog position. So hands forward, you're gonna lift your hips up. If your ankles or your heels cannot touch the ground yet, that's totally okay. You can keep them like this, whatever works best for you, but you're gonna feel this stretch whenever you push yourself forward like this, or we'll call it backwards. Push your head through your arms, and you're gonna really feel that stretch in your calves. And then if you want, you can kind of walk it out a little bit. Just do whatever feels really nice to you.